Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Cube. Today we're going to try something different. Not sure how it's going to turn out or how it's going to work, but we're going to try it anyway. Let's get into it and see what we got going on. Okay, so here's what we got. We got some ground beef. Some burrito mix. Marble cheddar. Medium cheddar. Pie crusts. Refried beans. I think you guys can see where we're going with this.
Yeah.
We're going to see what happens.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Put it all together and let's see what happens here. Okay, so we got a pot on the stove here. We're going to start browning up the ground beef. Get it nice and brown and ready. So let's throw in the ground beef.
Why are you gonna get pissed?
There we go, we're just gonna add it all in. Oh, kids are being non-union. Okay, we've been going for a little bit. Now if you have one of these fancy tools, it's easy for browning the beef and chopping it up at the same time. Works perfect. If you don't have one, just use a fork. Not a big deal. Either way, you'll get the job done, so that's all that matters. There we go. Chop her up a little bit. Now, let me get all this ground beef nice and browned up. Pick back up after I got it browned up. Well, I was going to do this one outside on the pit boss when everything's all said and done. But as you can see, the weather's not exactly cooperating. So I won't be doing it outside on the pit boss. I'm supposed to get a whack of this snow sometime tonight. So I'll be doing it inside in the oven. Welcome to Canada. Fucking snow already. No. Okay, so here we are. I just strained the beef off. Got all the fat out of it. Now I'm gonna add in the seasoning mix, which I mixed according to the package. As I said, I mixed this according to the package. I didn't add anything else. Just the seasoning mix and the water like it says to do in the package. Now we're just gonna let this simmer a little bit, come to a boil. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, now that we got a slight little boil starting to happen, I like to add the refried beans into the meat. Some people might want to do it differently. This is the way I like doing it. This is the way I want to do it. This one's being stubborn. It don't want to come out. There we go. Now you just want to mix that in and let it come to a boil. Be right back. So there we go. We got everything incorporated together now. The refried beans in with the ground beef. Now we're just waiting for it to simmer and thicken up. Then we'll move on from there. Well, we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay. So just so that everybody does know, I have used this burrito mix before. It turns out good. I've just made your regular tortilla wrap burritos. Today we're trying something different. I haven't tried it before. I'm sure it'll be okay. We'll see when it's done. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a burrito pie. Sounds good to me. I'm just gonna add the ground beef mix into the pie crust. Like this. And we're going to add some cheese on top of it. Like that. Add as much cheese or as little cheese as you want, or add no cheese if you don't want to. If anyone's gonna try this. I like cheese. The kids love cheese. Everyone loves cheese in our house. But we're gonna put quite a bit of cheese. Just like that. And I'm just gonna layer it again. Do the same thing again. And get it all ready for the oven. I'll pick back up when I'm ready to put it in the oven and show you guys what we got before it goes in the bake. Okay, so we've put a second layer of beef on there now. Now we're gonna put some more cheese. Go ahead, put some cheese, guys.
Go!
Now this is the easy way of putting the cheese on. I just sit and watch. Good job, guys.
It smells so good for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
I like dinner.
That's right.
I like this.
Okay, we'll pick back up in a couple of seconds once all the cheese is done. You guys get the idea of what's going on here, and we'll go from there. Pie's ready. There's what we got. All right, let's see what happens. And put that in there just in case something spills. I'd like it to be hot instead of all over the bottom of the oven. And you don't feel like getting any shit that's burning in the oven. So we got a drip pan in the oven. Let's close her up. Let's let it go for about 40-45 minutes. We'll pick back up. See you guys then. Okay. It's been 40 minutes. Pulled it out. This is what it looks like. I've let it rest for probably about 15-20 minutes right now because it was way too hot. We're gonna slice into it. See what we got here. Well, the pie crust is nice, I can tell. Let's see if we can get this out. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Put it on a plate. Beautiful. All right. Slide that over there. Bring this one over here. A little fork, some sour cream. Look at that. Perfect. We're ready for a taste. Let's get this turned around so you guys can see. All right, time for a taste. The crust is nice and flaky. Very cheesy. It's good. There we go. Got some sour cream on it. Not bad. Better than what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting to begin with, but I think this is better than what I was expecting. Well, there you have it. If you guys want to try this one day at home, go for it. You won't be disappointed, I don't think. I like it. I'm sure the kids will like it too tomorrow. It's a little bit late right now for them. That's okay. They've gone to bed. Well, if you like this, you want to see more like this, just subscribe. See you guys all in the next one. Bye.